gentlemen, will you please welcome back AWE co-founder Auggie Award.
Wow! Good evening, everyone. How was the second day of AWE? So, welcome to the 8th annual Auggie Awards at AWE 2017. The ceremony that we've been holding since 2010 to recognize excellence in the augmented world. This is the trophy that a bunch of winners are going to get today. It's a one-of-a-kind handmade art piece by my favorite artist, my wife. Thank you. And this 3D model is by Yetzer Studio, which created this for us. Thanks, everybody. All right. So how did we got here? In March, we announced 10 new categories for the competition. We received 222 nominations, a record number for this year. But it's not about the number, it's about the quality of these nominations, just outstanding this year. And the public voting that started, we had 145,000 votes, which is just incredible to see the kind of support that you guys are getting from all over the world. And then those public votes determined the finalists in each category. But the judges felt like we need to save a few of the others, and eventually we got to 64 finalists in those categories. But tonight we're going to get 10 winners for those 10 categories, plus 2 best in show that are determined by the public opinion for this first day, and then 2 additional special prizes that we'll learn more about it later on. So that's the plan for tonight. It's going to be fun, it's going to be cool. And here are the categories for the Auggie this year. We go through it pretty quickly. It's the best app, best art or film, best authoring and publishing tool, best campaign, best developer tool, best enterprise solution, best game or toy, best head-worn device, best input or output hardware, things for interaction, and then interaction software tools, and then the 2 final ones, best in show AR and best in show VR. And we had a great group of judges. Here are the esteemed judges we had this year, plus the internal AWE committee. Thank you, judges, for helping us sort through this maze of so many nominations. And now we're here for our first category. So to present the award in the Best App of the Auggie Awards, I want to bring on stage the CTO of ODG, John Haddock. Give it up.
Thanks everyone for coming. Auggie, thanks for having us back. It's always fantastic to watch the show grow every year and see the competition grow every year. I think it's very appropriate that we're announcing Best App because everyone here is building such amazing tools, but the app is where the experience interacts with the user. So this year I have the power to announce the nominees.
For Best App are Lowe's Vision, Deep in the Cube by Yinscam, Aeroglass, Rumi, Monoface Powered Sephora Virtual Artist, Proceedix and Agco Corporation.
No, wait. Say the winner is.
Yes. And the winner is Aeroglass.
enjoyed working with you guys at ODG, your team, and looking forward to continuing to push the boundaries here. It's been great. Thanks.
All right, we'll move to the next category, Best Art or Film. We're very artistic at AWE. And to present the award, put your hands together for Bradley Wares from Unity.
So at Unity, we have a mission to empower developers and to empower artists to realize their creative potential in new mediums and new technologies, which is why I'm really excited to announce the nominees for this year's Best Art or Film.
You're coming up soon.
These for Best Art or Film are Magma Chamber 360 VR by Copeland Entertainment, Digital Neuron by Heavy Projects, Gigantin Revolution by AR & Co, Whole Team Dental VR Demonstration by Innovation Rocks, Williamson Art.
And the winner is Digital Neuron.
Thanks, guys. You can check out our video on our website, heavy.io. I think it's /Geneva if you want to see the full video. This was a really fun project in Switzerland that we had about 3.5 weeks start to finish to do it. So for all of our future partners, if we've got more time, we can do way bigger. Thanks a lot.
Off to the next category, Best Authoring and Publishing Tool. That's a new category we introduced this year because we see that there's huge demand for this. To present the award, put your hands together for Jody Schiller.
So, New Reality Arts is a full-service studio for marketing, mixed reality marketing. And so it is in our interest to have as many people understanding and knowing what augmented reality can do right now. We don't have to wait for the future. I think that we can create magnificent experiences just with what we have right now. So with these authoring and publishing tools, they allow us to democratize AR and make it easy for everybody to start creating amazing experiences.
For Best Authoring or Publishing Tool are View AR, ViewFrame, Augmania, Fameworks Studio by PTC, WorkLink by Scope AR, UX Platform, ZapWorks by ZapArt.
And the winner is?
The winner is ZapWorks by ZapArt.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Jody, for mentioning the democratization of AR, VR, and MR. That's exactly what ZapWorks is about. we're trying to make it as scalable, as easy to use, and as affordable as possible. We also launched today ZapBox, which is our mixed reality kit with that exact premise, and it's all backed by ZapWorks. So do come and see us at 208 in the hall tomorrow if you're interested in that. But thank you very much.
Next category is Best Marketing Campaign, and to present the award, our own Tom Emmerich. Give it up.
So, marketing and advertising is a critical and very important vertical for augmented reality and virtual reality. It is one of the first areas that many people get exposed to these new ways of computing. And so, without further ado, the nominees for this category are...
These for Best Campaign are Mixed Reality Easter Egg Hunt by CLARA LLC and After Now. The second HKSZ Design Biennale by Creo Studio Limited. Melee Blizzard X-Ray AR Vacuum Cleaner by Innovation Rocks. Fun Code by Laboratory 24. QQ AR Torch Passing by Highsea.
And the winner is Mixed Reality Easter Egg Hunt by CLARA and After Now.
We didn't know it could be done, and now we know it can be done, so if you ever want to do it again, let us know.
I also want to make a special thank you to Microsoft for making the project happen. Kim and Vanessa was instrumental in making this, and they're not here, but there was also a big group. There was a much bigger group of building this experience, but it was a lot of fun, a very short timeline, and very exciting to bring the headset like the HoloLens and mixed reality to the consumer where they're not ready to become to the consumer for entertainment experience.
Next up, Best Developer Tool, a very rigorous group, and to present the award, put your hands together for Jürgen Lumera.
It's great to be here. I was 50% of this 8 times participating, and I really enjoy how this has progressed from 4 years ago. But what also has progressed, and I think where we all were lacking of development tools, so SDKs, tracking configuration, when you all know what happened 2 years ago, and now we have a lot of it, and everybody needs it in one flavor or the other. So I'm really, really happy that we sponsored this, and the nominees for this category of this SDK development are
These for Best Developer Tool are Euphoria, SDK by Kachun, Navisense, Slam SDK by Wikitude, Insider Navigation, Technology by Usense, Visionlit Fraunhofer IGD.
And the winner is Slam SDK by Wikitude.
Okay, 3, 2.
like one winner for the last 6 years. So we are so proud to be now winner of this category. And the thanks go to the team in Salzburg who did all that, and to all of our kind of customers and partners who built all those cool use cases, basically EQ'd, and I've already, I think, 5 or 6 being nominated for the best app in the other category. So thanks a lot. We're really proud of that.
Okay, next category is a very important one. Best Enterprise Solution, and to present the award, is already on stage. Give it up for Executive Director for Area, Mark Sage.
Hi everybody, what a great show. Really enjoyed it. What's been really impressive is the number of enterprise AR solutions that we've seen, the quality and number of talks that's gone through the work enterprise track as well, and just been really, really exciting. So let's have a look at the nominations.
For Best Enterprise Solution are AccuVein AV400, Vein Visualization Device, Smart Assistant Solution for Enterprise by JoinPad, Virtual APT VR2 Robot, Intel Recon JetPro, Skylight by Upskill, Ethical Self-Brain Hacking Platform by VR Americas, Nemo HoloLens Operator System by Twinkles, Mobilia AR 360, Enterprise Wearable Computing Suite by Ubimax, LGS by OPS Solutions.
And the winner is Ubimax.
Thank you. So my wishes actually go to my team that made it possible, that we're the ones kind of creating what I hopefully see as becoming the next Microsoft Office, but for the frontline workers, where we're working hard to push the limits basically on the AR. Right now, we're kind of limited in the sense of, you know, the cool features that we have in the suite, but I hope that we in the community can really make it happen, that the cool stuff really gets out to the shop floor people, because they actually deserve it. So thanks for the award, and we really appreciate it.
Okay. To present the award, David Beer from BBC Euphoria.
So, toys and games have always driven innovation in AI. They're a great way for developers to experiment with big ideas in ways that are easy and accessible for the consumer. At Euphoria, we're very proud to have enabled many of the finalists and winners in this category. And they've inspired us not only to push the envelope in performance, but also have informed our features and the services that we create for